This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious barbecue sauce chicken. First, select your favorite chicken pieces like thighs or drumsticks. Pat them completely dry to ensure a crispy finish. Next, season the chicken generously with a simple blend of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. For the best flavor, let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer if time allows before cooking. Now, let's create that amazing barbecue sauce. Start by combining a cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in a saucepan. Stir in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Simmer this mixture over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to thicken beautifully. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. There are several great ways to cook your barbecue chicken. You can grill it over medium heat, turning often to get those perfect char marks and even cooking. Alternatively, bake it in your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Regardless of your method, brush on that delicious barbecue sauce during the final 15 minutes of cooking. Always ensure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once your barbecue chicken is perfectly cooked, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the chicken moist and tender. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped parsley or cilantro. Serve your incredible barbecue chicken with your favorite side dishes, such as creamy coleslaw, sweet corn on the cob, or a hearty potato salad. Enjoy every delicious bite of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.